Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn on how to convert text to columns in Excel. So you have data that is confused. You have been given 5 minutes to complete it by your boss, and then you are wondering how you are going to do it. The data is big, and you have only 5 minutes to do that. You're wondering, how am I going to do it? How am I going to do miracles? So stop wondering and then listen to this video and watch it. It is going to help you on how to convert text to columns in Excel. So you have your data in Excel. You open your data in case it is closed, and then we can start. So for you to locate the text to column icon, which is going to help you to perform this, you go to data. So we have it here, text to column. So what is text to column? Split a single column of text into multiple columns. For example, you can separate a column of full names into separate first and last name columns. So we have only 5 minutes to do this, but at least our data is not large. But in case you had a very big data, it is going to save you. So you are going to select the data that you want to convert it to text to column, and then you click text to column. You have the delimited selected, and then you have next. Then we are going to separate it with comma. Let's see if we do semicolon, what will happen, and then we remove colon, it won't separate it. And then if we have space, still some other numbers or other information is still going to be stuck, which is presented as if it's not a very appealing to the eye. So we are going to select comma, then we remove space. So and then you click next, then you click finish. So when you do that, it is going to replace your original data. Let's say that you wanted to have it in a separate place, so we can undo the action that we have done, and then we go back to text to column, and then next, and then next, and then the destination, we are going to select new destination. We are going to select here, and then we finish. So at least we have the two data sets, so you can compare the two data sets. So we can delete this other big space, and then we have our data sets. So you have the two data sets, and then you can compare. Yes, and then now you can have the headers like ID, name of the farmer, or name of the person, gender, age, location. This can be yield, can be income. Let's put income. And then you have your presentable, and then to have it as a presentable more, you can convert it into table. So you click Control A to select everything, and then you can click Control T to turn it into table. And then you have your table, and then you have your table design. You can change the color, and then you can present to your boss or to your manager. So we have done our conversion, and this is very presentable compared to this one. This one is very presentable. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.